Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to unlock the taskbar on your Windows 11 laptop or PC so you can move it to any side of the screen you want. Now by default, Windows 11 has no longer includes an official option to unlock the taskbar like older version of an Windows did. This means you cannot simply right click and drag it to the top side or wherever you would prefer. That feature has been removed from the settings, but don't worry, you can still get the functionality back with the help of a third-party tool. First open the web browser and search for github.com valinet explorer patcher. That's spell valinet/explorer patcher. I will also leave the link in the description below for you to click directly. Once you open the link, you will land on the GitHub repository page for this project. Scroll down to the bottom of the page until you reach the README section. Then click on the release page where the developer has laid out detailed instruction on how to install and use the program. Next, scroll down a bit further until you see the contributor and asset section. Under asset, look for the download and the setup exe file. Click on it. Choose whichever folder you would like to save it on your computer and wait a few seconds for download to finish. Once the download is complete, go ahead and open the file by double clicking on it. Windows may show you security prompt. Just click yes, and if it asks for any administrator permission, make sure to allow it so the installer can make the necessary changes. Now wait a few moments while the program restarts and reloads Windows Explorer in the background. As you can see, the appearance of the Explorer has been changed slightly. This is completely normal and confirms that the patch has been applied successfully. You can now move the taskbar to any side of the screen you like. Simply right click anywhere of the taskbar and you will see option called lock all taskbar. Uncheck it and unlock the taskbar. Once it's unlocked, just click and hold drag the taskbar to the top, left, right or bottom of your screen, wherever you prefer. And that's the entire process. This is how you can easily unlock and reposition the taskbar on your Windows 11 laptop or PC using Explorer Patcher. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more tips and like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.